Hey friends, time for some Disco Inferno. We're gonna get our disco on here in this tutorial. Let's break it down. Part 1. We're gonna take it up towards the mirror. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk it back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we get that booty going. 5, 6, 7, 8. So on the way up, we have these little fun fingers here. Walk it back with those fists, and the arm's going to come up, and we're going to shake, 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 shake. Punch those arms out. So all together we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we have a double kick, an arm turn, and a funky chicken. With that right foot, it's going to kick and kick, turn, chicken. So, here goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, roll, 6, funky chicken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Now we're going to take it around to the left. Awesome. Now we're going to have 4 turns going to the right and left 4 times. We go. 1, 2, 3, clap. 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. And those are fast. We just finished. Roll, roll, funky chicken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If that turns too much, you do straight bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Either work. Now, we're going to go for a hitchhike. Right thumb comes across. 1, 2, left thumb. 3, 4, and then we take 4 low. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like this front to front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Groove it down. 7, 8. Right back in to that chorus. We take that burn, baby, burn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Everything repeats, and then we come to our little bridge. We're going to break it down here. We have that right foot in front. We have the left foot right in front of us, across the body, and the right arm comes up, up, and down. Little windshield wiper. But we're going to add the hip with it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. Right hand across, left foot in front. Left hand's working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Then we have these arms. Wow! Right back in that kick. Kick. Roll it. Chicken. Kick. Kick. Roll it. Chicken. 2 more times with that, and then we go to that turn. 1, 2, 3. Clap. 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 5, 6, 7, 8. Hitchhike. Hitchhike. Bring it down. Hitchhike. Hitchhike. Bring it down and burn. 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 Walk it back and pump those hips. And then finally, we're going to get a little pose at the end. Dancer's choice in that pose. That's your own flavor. Let's dance it.